Hey guys, welcome back to my backyard garden. It's January the 1st, the new year, and I'm going out to check out my greenhouse. I thought I'd take you along with me. It's a little cold, but we're supposed to be getting a lot of snow, so I thought I better get out here because after snow I probably won't be coming out here very much. Well, it's about 38 in the greenhouse. Let's see how everything's looking. Well, these greens seem to be doing pretty good. Still growing. The sorrels there are not growing. This lettuce I've eaten off of quite a few times, but it is doing pretty good. They are growing well. I think this is the first, so I'm going to have a few of these greens for dinner today. I was trying to see how large they would get. Gotten pretty large. But seeing that I won't be out here for a while, I'm going to enjoy a few of them for dinner. Along with my black-eyed peas, of course. Okay, this is my little harvest here. And this is what it looked like after harvest. And we will see what it looks like in a few weeks. This is Lady P. Happy New Year, everyone. Peace and love. I'm out.